Hey guys, it's Autumn with KJ Bath & Body, back with another soap making video. Today we're going to make a cute little soap for back to school. It's going to be a little pencil and with a little bit of detail work at the end. And it's just very cute. It's a perfect gift and you'll see me make it here. Alright, so we got the lye solution together into the oils and we are making soap. This is actually a very simple soap. It's layers and a little bit of color blending, nothing major, nothing too hard. Here I'm splitting off a portion for my eraser, and I use a mixture of Trial by Fire in a pink color. I'll insert it in the name and give it a whirl and get it into my mold. I had a problem with my camera a few times, well, my cell phone, because that's what I use for my camera, and I wasn't able to record a couple pourings. Like you see it switch to the gray for the pen to hold the eraser, and you actually didn't see the red get poured. So that happens a few times, but there's a couple good pours in here that you guys will enjoy. Okay, please enjoy the video and I'll talk to you in a minute. Here's what I'm using for the lead to my pencil. They are heart column embeds, and I just the night before made a little batch of CP soap, poured them into each of the column molds, and popped them out this morning, and they're ready to go into my soap. They work perfectly. There's a couple ways to make lead for these little pencils, and I just found this one to be the easiest. So, aren't they cute? They look just like pencils. We do have a little more work to put into them so they look cute and like a sharpened pencil, and that will be coming up in just a minute. It's a little pencil. It's made out of soap, and it's really cute. Of course, this isn't my design. This is kind of like a watermelon soap. All soap makers have a version and have done it. So it's not something I'm taking credit for. If you would like to pick up one of these, they are available over in my Etsy shop. It's a perfect little gift for back to school. Give one to a teacher. Give one to all your kids' teachers. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I have just inserted a little bit of cleaning up with my little professional soap cleaner tool. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this, you could do that too. Thank you.